Hi, it's Coolars 10. Today we're drawing the 6 monkeys from Adopt Me. Let's show you what we need. So first we have markers, we have a peach color, we have a gray color, and we have a pencil. We have 6 sheets of paper for 6 monkeys, and let's get started. First we'll be drawing the classic monkey. So I started drawing the ears, and then I started drawing the head and then his little hairs. Then I started drawing his mouth and nose, leading to the monkey's eyes. Then I started drawing the body, then the arms, then his tail, and then his little hands, and finally his feet. Then I started outlining the monkey. Then I colored the monkey. Second, we will draw the albino monkey. So I started drawing his ears, then his face, and then his little hairs. Then I started drawing the monkey's mouth, leading to the rest of the albino monkey's face. Then I drew its eyes and nose. Then I started drawing its body, then its arms and hands. Then I drew its feet. Last and finally, I drew its tail. Then I started outlining the albino monkey. Then I colored the albino monkey. Third, you'll draw the business monkey. So I started drawing his bandana and its face. Then I drew its mouth and ears. Then I moved on to drawing his cool looking hair. Then I drew his eyes and nose. Then I started drawing his business suit. Then his body, then his tail holding a briefcase. Then I started outlining the business monkey. Then I started coloring the business monkey. Fourth, you'll draw the toy monkey. So I started drawing its ears, head, and mouth. Then I drew its hat. Then I moved on to drawing its nose and eyes. Then I drew his arms holding toys and then the rest of his body. Finally, I drew its feet. Then I outlined the toy monkey. Then I colored the toy monkey. Fifth, we'll draw the ninja monkey. I start drawing its ears and then its headband. Then I drew its cool hair, face, and mouth. Then I drew the eyes and nose. Then I drew the Adopt Me symbol. Then I drew its arms and body. Then I drew the feet and the tail, which was holding a scroll. Then I started outlining the monkey. Then I colored the monkey. Last but not least, we have the king monkey. Then I started drawing the ears, part of the crown, face, and the mouth. Then I drew the nose, hair, and the rest of the crown. I drew the eyes, and then I drew the body and the king's clothes. Then I drew the tail holding a staff and feet. Finally, I drew the arms. Then I started outlining the monkey. Then I colored the monkey. Here's the monkey, the albino monkey. Here's the toy monkey. Here's the business monkey. Here's the ninja monkey. Last but not least, the monkey king. My favorite monkeys were the ninja monkey and the monkey king. Put in the comment down below which monkey you like so I know. Follow my Instagram if you haven't already. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!